This USB-C docking station for MacBook Pro and MacBook Air is designed to expand connectivity in a simple and efficient way, turning a single USB-C port into a full workstation setup. It is especially useful for users who rely on multiple devices, external displays, and fast data transfer in their daily workflow. The compact design makes it easy to carry alongside a laptop, making it suitable for office use, travel, or remote work setups. One of the biggest advantages of this docking station is its ability to significantly improve productivity by adding multiple ports in one device. It allows seamless connection to external monitors, keyboards, mice, storage devices, and other peripherals without the constant need to unplug and replug cables. This creates a smoother working experience, especially for professionals who need a stable multi-device environment. The build quality feels solid and well-constructed, designed to match the sleek look of MacBook devices. It sits neatly on a desk without taking up much space, maintaining a clean and organized setup. Heat management is also handled efficiently, ensuring stable performance even during extended usage sessions. Performance-wise, the docking station delivers reliable data transfer speeds and stable connectivity across all connected devices. Whether transferring large files, connecting external displays, or using multiple accessories at once, it maintains consistent performance without noticeable lag or interruption. This makes it suitable for both productivity tasks and entertainment setups. Another key benefit is its plug-and-play functionality, which means there is no complicated setup required. It works instantly once connected, making it user-friendly even for those who are not tech experts. The wide compatibility with MacBook Pro and MacBook Air ensures that it integrates smoothly into Apple ecosystems. Overall, this USB-C docking station is a practical and efficient solution for anyone looking to expand their laptop's capabilities. It enhances productivity, reduces cable clutter, and provides a more flexible workspace experience, making it a valuable accessory for modern laptop users.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.